The death of the universe is a topic that is still the subject of scientific speculation and ongoing research. There are several theories regarding the potential ways in which the universe could meet its end. Here are a few of the leading theories. Heat death, entropy. This is the most widely accepted scenario based on the current understanding of physics. According to the second law of thermodynamics, entropy, a measure of disorder in a closed system, tends to increase over time. In the case of the universe, this would lead to a state of maximum entropy known as the heat death. As the universe continues to expand, the energy will become evenly distributed, and all matter and radiation will become diluted and cold. Stars will exhaust their fuel, galaxies will disintegrate, and eventually, the universe will reach a state of equilibrium, with no more energy available for life or any other process. Big freeze, expansion. If the expansion of the universe continues to accelerate, as suggested by observations of dark energy, it could lead to a scenario known as the Big Freeze. As the universe expands, galaxies will move farther apart, and the space between them will continue to increase. This would result in a dilution of matter and energy, making the universe colder and darker over time. Eventually, the universe would become a vast, nearly empty expanse, with only a few scattered particles existing far apart from each other. Big crunch, contraction, in contrast to the Big Freeze. Some theories propose that the expansion of the universe could reverse under the influence of gravity, causing a contraction known as the Big Crunch. If there is enough matter in the universe, gravitational forces could eventually overcome the expansion, causing everything to collapse back into a high-density state. This would lead to a catastrophic event where all matter and energy are compressed into a singularity. Big Rip. Another possibility, suggested by some theories, is the Big Rip. This scenario assumes that dark energy, the mysterious force driving the universe's accelerating expansion, continues to increase in strength over time. If this happens, the expansion would eventually become so powerful that it overcomes all other forces in the universe. It would tear apart galaxies, stars, planets, and eventually even subatomic particles, resulting in the complete disintegration of the universe. It's important to note that these scenarios are still theoretical and subject to ongoing scientific investigation. Our understanding of the universe and its ultimate fate continues to evolve as we gather more data and develop new theories.